Hello my sweet friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you some amazing home decor that you can make using some of Dollar Tree's ornaments, and you are going to absolutely love these. So let's go ahead and jump right in. For the first DIY, I'm going to be taking first couple DIYs. I have a couple different things here. I'm just going to spray paint everything in this red spray paint because I do want these DIYs obviously in red, and I thought that it would be perfect to spray paint them just to make sure every little nook and cranny is really nice and painted. So I'm gonna give those a nice coat of spray paint and let them dry really well. And as you saw there, I did have some wooden crates from Dollar Tree that I also spray painted, but I just spray painted them ahead of time because that way I can let them dry. But that is for my next video. You're not going to want to miss that one. I'm going to be doing hot cocoa bar DIYs, and you are going to absolutely love those. So that is a little sneak peek for my next video. But here is that wooden house sign that is absolutely beautiful in this red color. And then I have this ornament that I believe is from Dollar Tree, but if you can't find the exact same one, they do have some doors that are just like this that I have seen, because I'm not sure if I got this at Dollar Tree or Target Dollar Spot. So please, I apologize if I said it's from Dollar Tree, but it's actually not. But I do know that Dollar Tree does carry some ornaments that are shaped as doors as well, so you can place on here. And I thought it would be a really cute accent piece to add to the sign and really give it some character. Now I'm going in with this paint marker and just coloring in the windows so that it looks like there's lights on inside of this house, and that just makes it look more alive and more nice. So I'm going to go ahead and color that in, and I do go in twice so that way it can be nice and popped out, and that yellow can really come through. And then I also go in with a white paint marker, and as you can see, I already did the top of the house where all of that that whole foot of snow has fallen on the roof. And I am just going ahead on the window seals, and I'm doing the same thing so that way it can look nice and frosted, and like a nice layer of snow just fell on the house, and it's going to look really pretty and gorgeous. And my friend, this DIY, this wood sign is so nice to make customizable and to make it to your liking. You can just put whatever colors that you love and just make it your own and be creative, which is really nice about this little house. And I knew once I saw it at Dollar Tree that I had to pick it up because it's so cute and I really do love it. Now I'm going in with some more paint markers, and I'm going to color in the little string lights that are on the front of the house. I do have green, blue, and yellow, but again, you can go in with whatever color that you like. And I'm then going to go in with some Mod Podge, and I'm not going to put it all over the roof because I just want the snow to literally look like it's here and there on the roof. Well, not the snow in general, but the sparkly parts of the snow, if that makes sense. So I'm just placing some Mod Podge here and there, and then I'm gonna go in with this glittery faux snow. And for the final touch, I am gonna take 3 Jenga blocks to the back of this sign with some hot glue, and this is going to allow me to stand it up because I don't want it to be hung on the wall. I just want it to be a stand, and this will allow it to stand really nicely. And that is it for this house, and I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. I think the red, just the bright red house and the bright red door looks really beautiful. But of course, you would have to let me know what you think because I love to hear your thoughts. Next up, we're going to be taking one of these wreaths from Dollar Tree, and I was super excited to have found these because I've never seen them like this, where it's just a blank canvas for you to create your own wreath, and it already has all of the greenery on it rather than a blank metal one. So I really love that, and I was just twisting around the branches so it can look nice and put together. And then I'm gonna go in with some white paint because I want it to look like snow has fallen on top of this wreath. I'm just going in with a small brush and just, you know, stroking it lightly so that way it doesn't look too, you know, like plotched on there, if that's even a word. And let that dry really well because I do want it to look like it has snow on top, because the ornaments that I'm going to place on here does have some snow on top of the greenery, so I do want it to match. And this is the ornaments of the little red bird here that is super adorable and I love it. It does have a clip on the bottom of the ornament, so you can easily like clip it on your Christmas tree or something like that, but I took off that clip because I want to hot glue it so it can better stick onto this wreath. So I'm just going to easily place a good amount of hot glue and push it down, and then I'm going to place a second bird on here. And I had to remove the pine cone that was in the back because I don't want it to, you know, get in the way of hanging it on your door. So just remove it and then you can place it in the front once everything is done. But you just want to make sure that you add a lot of hot glue to the bottom of the ornaments so that way it can press really nicely and stay firmly on that wreath. And then I'm just gonna go in here and there with some hot glue just to make sure that everything is down. I'm now gonna go in and add the other pine cone that was behind the second bird to add it right to the front, along with some red berries. These berries are from Dollar Tree. They come in this beautiful pack with a good amount, so I'm going to just hot glue those down because it does match with the berries that are already with the birds. So I thought that was perfect, and I'm just going to maybe put down 2 or 3 of them. And for the last step, I just go ahead with this white sparkly ribbon from Dollar Tree and I make a nice little bow. At first I was just going to tie it as you would your shoelace maybe, but I decided to fold it across like this, tie it in the middle, and then add another strip of the ribbon across, and that makes a nice little bow. In case you don't really want to do it the other way, this makes it really nice as well. So you can see I'm adding a little strip right to the center to cover up that string, and then we're going to hot glue that down to the top center of this wreath. And that was it for this wreath, and I absolutely love it, my friend. I think it turned out super beautiful and super easy to make. The wreath was already halfway done for you, and all you had to do was add those beautiful birds, and I think it turned out stunning. You would have to let me know what you think. My friend, if you are enjoying today's video so far, I would highly appreciate it if you can give this video a big thumbs up to help me reach new viewers and we can continue to grow our YouTube family. So thank you so much for that, and do consider hitting that subscribe button because I do post new videos every week showing you tons of new home decor. So I hope you join us. My friends, with the holidays and all of the celebrations coming up, New Year's, Christmas, family gatherings, Thanksgiving, you're gonna want to show up with some pearly whites, right? So I have a nice deal for you. These are the teeth whitening kit. It comes with the whitening strips along with a whitening pen, and these are by Care4. Thank you so much for partnering with me for today's video. These are absolutely great, my friend. They are alcohol free and they do work within the first 30 minutes of you using them. They are absolutely great for the price that it comes with 14 strips, and it does come with the pen as well. And the deal that I have is for the first 10 people that message me, you are going to get cash back on your purchase. So whatever, if you decide to buy the kits, you will get your money back for the first 10 people only. So make sure you message me right away, so that way I can give you a special code that you can place at the checkout and you will get your cash right back. You guys, you should jump on it really soon because I really love this product and I think you will too. Now with this last DIY, my friend, this one is going to go in the blink of an eye, so literally don't blink. I have this snowman head that you can get at Dollar Tree. This is one of their ornaments in their ornament section, and I also have one of those ceramic vases that I thought would be so perfect as a snowman body because it just looks like it fits as a snowman body. So I thought it would be super cute to use the vase for a nice decor piece to make a snowman. So I just hot glued that ornament right on top, and then I'm going to give him or her a scarf right here with this ribbon, and this one matches perfectly with the hat. This ribbon is from Dollar Tree, so I'm just going to cross it as you would a, any old scarf, just making a X pattern just like this with my hot glue, and then I do go in with some more hot glue around the rim where the two pieces meet, so that way I can hide that seam a little bit more with some faux snow. And it is looking super beautiful and super easy to make, but it's really nice and I really love it. My friend, if you've made it this far into my video, comment down below our secret word, which is ornaments, for today, and I will know that you made it this far into my video and it is highly appreciated, so thank you. Now I'm adding some more faux snow onto the top of the hat right there just to cover up that hole where the string was. And that was it for this beautiful, quick and easy DIY. I absolutely love how it turned out. It's super adorable and it is just so easy to come together, my friend, but looks really nice. You would have to let me know what you think of this DIY, and do please let me know which one was your favorite from today, because as always, I love to hear from you and I love to hear your feedback. So do comment down below which one was your favorite and if you would give any one of these a try. Thank you so much, my friend, for joining me in today's video. I appreciate your support always, so thank you so much. Do give this video a big thumbs up and do consider hitting that subscribe button so you can be a part of my YouTube family. And don't forget to check out those whitening strips for your teeth. The link will be in my description box below, and I will see you all on the next one. Take care and God bless. Bye.